Forecast, we're all watching, hoping for some rain, Sean.
We are. We're hoping for rain. We've got a chance at it today and tomorrow. We also have some pretty dry conditions around the state. We've been talking about the fire dangers. We'll get the latest updates on that as well. Let's go outside, see first of all what it looks like. It is starting to clear up locally, but we're already clear in many locations around us. So if you're going to be out and about, do know that it is going to be a hot afternoon. Heat stress, obviously a concern for everybody out there. Let's take a look at Viper. This is a visible satellite image. It shows you exactly where the clouds are and where they're not. And you can see that they are clearing up quickly. Got a couple of blinks in it, no big deal, but you can see how the skies are clearing. That cloud cover may stick around for a little while, but areas where it is clear are areas where it is hot. Also, very important, not trying to be preachy or anything like that, but on our blog, if you go to KXAN.com, click on the weather tab, and then click on the weather blog. It's the last entry there at the very bottom. But just roll through this. This is a letter from Paul Ura. It's an email, not a letter, from Paul Ura to us in the weather business, weather people all across Central Texas. And it is a concern for a lot of folks going to different parks around the area and thinking about, cooking. And with so many people in these parks, as dry as they are, it really is a significant situation. So read through that. If you have a fire extinguisher, or if you're going to be heading out and doing that, have a fire extinguisher. Make sure you have everything necessary and follow all the rules, laws, and everything when you go. Just a heads up, again, not trying to be preachy, but this is getting really, really serious. 81 degrees. Cloud cover, winds out of the south at 10 miles per hour. Humidity at 62%. It is hot in some areas already. 86 in Llano, 84 in San Saba, 81 here in Austin. Even with the cloud cover, our temperatures are into the 80s now. You've got 80s all the way up to 88 degrees in LaGrange. Today, somebody's going to hit 100 degrees, very likely. Even with a little bit of cloud cover still left, our temperatures are rising. Now, we have a lot of moisture in there. We do see a possibility for thunder showers this afternoon and for tomorrow. So watch the way things are shaping up. Cloud cover starting to thin out. Watch into the afternoon hours because we do have a slight risk for severe storms to the northeast of us. We're on the tail end of it. So we kind of get the stragglers, if you will. We tend to get these little renegade storms, a couple of them sometimes, maybe a few that line up and are rolling across from west to east. Watch for them because they could have a little bit of lightning, and lightning is a big factor in all the brush fires and grass fires that you see across. You hear about this in California all the time. They have all those brush fires. Lightning concern out there too. Cloud cover, again, morning cloud cover, then afternoon sunshine, and then a dot of green, indicating a few isolated showers. Go through the night, it calms down. Tomorrow afternoon, a better chance for rain. Maybe some thunderstorms a little more widespread. Then our forecast does get dry after that into the weekend. We're going to go for 96 the high today, which means somebody out there is going to be closer to 100, if not a couple of places at 100. Winds out of the southeast at 10 to 25. Tonight, 72. Our 7-day forecast has us hot today and tomorrow, but the temperatures drop just a touch. A rain chance at 20%. We may be able to bump that number up again. It could come with a few thunderstorms. And then close to 90 for the high. Lows should be close to 70, and not another rain chance until after the weekend, and that's on Monday at 20%.